goes too often. Floorboards. I'm going to see whether this will work for this. I don't want to. Don't polish it up. I don't know. My son is looking into it. See what's available. I'm just cutting this at the manageable size. Bearing in mind how often it's going to be out in the rain.
Yeah. So if you take it to fire, it gets wet from the fire.
I'm just sort of looking, I mean, that's pretty fair spot. And I've got these two for panels.
Plane it down and that thing.
No. I want to cut the shape first. Well, do I? I don't know. Well, no, maybe not.
You cut the shape first, you'll possibly get it to slip off.
You probably will, yeah, thinking about it. Yeah, that's fine. But I'm going to at least trace the shape out for a minute and see. Oh, yes, that's
Plus the brake pedals and stuff.
So you can see how much has been chewed off here. That's interesting, that's actually. So,
No, that's probably.
that goes against the final.
Yeah.
That comes.
Okay. So I'm just thinking. Okay, so this is.
Yeah, there's probably might be that. That was better. And then there's a piece of that.
That lines up to that.
Yeah.
That is.
Close.
Lines up there.
I have no idea. Actually, that's the line for the air starter box. No, not there. I don't know what that one is.
That would make more sense.
Yeah, because that's the steering column. And the two bolts that go there. That's the bolts for that. So that's the brass pad.
Got a lot of it.
Oh yeah, it's on the car.
Floorboards.
That's all we have is the floorboards.
Is that the around the other one? No.
Yeah, I reckon the accelerator is lower down in the middle. So that's why that's there. You've got brake, clutch. No, all the way around, brake, clutch.
There's been another piece on that.
I think so, yeah. Yes. Yeah. But I mean, how long have these been just sitting in a
Oh, junk, yeah.
pile of junk? We found the photograph of a 15 horsepower SCAT between the two of them. Sorry?
Where that blade's running 40 degrees. No, we'll go to 45.
Well, I think the chassis has the mounts, and I'm pretty sure they're pretty close to 45. And look, as I said, if we need to adjust it, there's enough wood on this piece, both of these pieces, to be able to do
Well,
it.
that's taken over 45, I think it's correct.
Yeah, okay.
That, to me,
Yeah.
all depends on, like, that's now sitting...
It's pretty close.
That's where it's got to be, I reckon.
And I think you've got, 115 years of wear. Now, let's have a look. Let's make sure. Yeah, so either will fit on either, so that's okay. But you were doing that one, and I reckon this one's shorter, so I reckon you do this one first.
That's all we need.
At the moment, yeah, because I can do the other side at the...
gap in between.
Close.
Yeah. Close enough, that's fine.
Pulling it out.
Let's check. This is the other piece. So let's just check that out.
It's the same width, same bill. We should back that through on that
Yeah,
side
let's
there.
this side. Yeah, but again, you've got a lot of wear on this corner. This corner is not sharp. So I think it is actually pretty... It's close enough that I think we can adjust it. Yeah, you're right. It's not quite, is it?
You want to come up on the blade?
No.
Bring it up a bit, or we keep doing 45?
Keep doing it at 45 because we've got firewall, which is vertical, and then floor. It's got to be 90 degrees complete.
Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll take them home and I'll compare them. So I'll sit them on the spot and we'll see. One at a time, obviously.
You're saying that goes together like that?
No. One goes against the firewall, one goes against the floor. So they actually go
Like that?
that one's the base.
Yeah, but you said the firewall
Hang on,
vertical.
let me think.
You said the firewall was vertical.
Why is that way around? Have I got this back? Yeah, that's right. That there, then that one goes that way. They join for one flat piece.
That way. Goes like that.
Correct. No. This bottom one's got a turn. It's a flat piece that goes like that up on there. It's one flat piece. Yeah, that way, sorry.
I'm with you.
Yes. So that sits there, that goes against the firewall.
Right.
So this is just the front piece of the floor at this stage.
Right. So you don't want to think joint the two together.
Not at this stage.
Okay.
Because
Right.
they're not at the right width.
Right.
So I can't.
I'm here.
Yeah. I will. Now do we want to put this back to
Vertigo barge?
yes? What nearly didn't go?
So these are for in one way.
No. This is for the SCAT.
Okay. I don't know what you're talking about.
Right.
Is this a different vehicle?
Oh yeah.